AB, AB and AC are the two chords of a circle whose radius is R. Whose radius is R. If P and Q are the distance of chord AB and chord CA from the center respectively, and if AB is equal to 2 times AC, then prove that 4Q square is equal to P square plus 3R square. First we write given. What is given? AB, chord AB is 2 times chord AC. This is given. Then to prove. What is to prove? Here given 4Q square is equal to P square plus 3R square. This is our to prove. Okay, then proof. Proof. See this proof. We have given. What is given? AB is equal to 2 into AC. This is given. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Now let AC is smaller, no, than AB. So let AC is equal to 2x. AC is equal to 2x. Now perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord. See this perpendicular. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Bisects the chord. Therefore AC is equal to 2x. Then AE is equal to x and C is equal to x. X plus x, 2x. Did you get it? Now we put this value AC is equal to 2x here. Substituting in equation 1 at AC. Therefore AB is equal to 2 original into 2x is equal to 4x. Did you get it? Now AB is equal to 4x. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Then 4x divided into 2 equal parts. 2x. Did you get it? This is 9th standard theorem. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle bisects the chord. Okay. Now we take here 2 right angle triangles. In right angles triangle AOD and AOE. In these 2 triangles we apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. We apply this Pythagoras theorem in both these right angle triangles AOD and AOE. Okay. See this. First we take AOD. See that. AD square. AD square plus OD square is equal to OA square. Then we put values. AD 2x bracket square plus OD P square is equal to OA R square. Now we have two terms, 2 and x. So we give separate square. 2 square 4 x square. Now P square we take to the right side. R square minus P square. Did you get it? This is our equation number 2. Here 1. So here 2. Did you get it? Now we take right angle triangle AOE. Same by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So we write here EO or OE square. See this. OE square plus OE square plus AE square is equal to hypotenuse OA square. Did you get it? Now what is OE? Q square plus AE x square is equal to OA R square. Now multiplying both side by 4, but before that we take Q square to the right side. Therefore x square is equal to R square minus Q square. Did you get it? Now here 4x square, so we want here 4x square. Therefore multiplying both sides by 4. See this. Therefore 4x square is equal to 4 R square minus 4 Q square. This is our equation number 3. 1, 2 and 3. Therefore from equations 2 and 3, LHS are same, equal. Therefore RHS are also equal. Therefore from equations 2 and 3, R square minus P square is equal to 4 R square minus 4 Q square. Now we want Q square positive, 4 Q square positive, so we take this negative to the left side, so becomes positive 4Q square, and all these two terms we take to the right side. 4 R square, this plus becomes minus R square, and this minus becomes plus P square. Did you get it? Therefore our 2 proof. 4Q square, 4Q square is equal to 4 R square minus 1 R square, 3 R square plus P square. This is our 2 proof. That is P square plus 3R square.